Hello students, in this video I am going to show you methods of solving a pair of linear equations in two variables. Methods. So our chapter is pair of linear equations. In two variables. So methods of solving a pair of linear equations. In two variables. There are four methods for the solution of linear equations in two variables. These are: number one, elimination. By substitution. Elimination by substitution. Number two, elimination by equating coefficients. Elimination by equating coefficients. Number three, method of comparison. Number four, cross multiplication. Out of these four methods, third method of comparison, this is not discussed in NCERT book. Now, elimination by substitution, that is method 1. Method 1. And what is the process? In short, this is called substitution method. So, I am going to explain the method how to do by taking one example. Say we are given two equations 2x minus 7y is equal to 1 and 4x plus 3y is equal to 15. Say this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now substitute. Substitute means replace. Either we have to replace x or to replace y. Suppose we want to replace x from the equation. So we'll write from equation 1 we get what we have. 2x minus 7y is equal to 1. This implies 2x is equal to 1 plus 7y. This implies x is equal to 1 plus 7y by 2. This is equation 3. So we get the value of x in terms of y. Now in the second equation we will substitute. In the second equation we will substitute the value of x by 1 plus 7y by 2. That is why the process is called method of substitution. Substitute. Now we will write substituting the value of x in 2 means in equation 2. So what will we write? 4 x, 4x, x means 1 plus 7y by 2 plus 3y is equal to 15. This implies 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. Multiply 2 1 ja 2 plus 7 2 ja 14y plus 3y is equal to 15. This implies 14y plus 3y, 17y. So 17y is equal to 15 by 2. 15 minus 2, sorry. 15 minus 2, that is equal to 13. This implies y is equal to 13 by 17. So we get the value of y as y is equal to 13 by 17. Now from equation 3, now putting y is equal to 13 by 17 in equation 3, we get x is equal to 1 plus 7 into 13 by 17 by 2. That is equal to 1 plus 7 into 13, 91 by 17 by 2. 17 1 is 17. So 17 plus 91 by 17 into 2. That is equal to 17 plus 91, 108 by 2 into 17. 2 1 is 2. This is 54. So 54 by 17. Therefore, required solution x is equal to 54 by 17, y is equal to 13 by 17. So this method is called method of substitution, that is substitution method. We have eliminated x in the second equation by replacing the value of x, by substituting the value of x by what is derived from equation 1, by that value. So this is method of substitution. Next, elimination method. Second method is called elimination method. Elimination method. Now eliminate means to remove. How? By equating coefficients. I am taking the same example. So 2x minus 7y is equal to 1. 4x plus 3y is equal to 15. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. We have to eliminate either x or y. If we want to eliminate x, then multiply equation 2 by the coefficient of x in equation 1 and multiply equation 1 by the coefficient of x in equation 2. So let us multiply this equation by 4. First equation by 4 because coefficient is 4. So 4 2 is 8, 2 4 is 8. What more we can do? So we are multiplying first one by 4, second one by 2. 4 is to 2, that is 2 is to 1. So this also can be done by multiplying the first equation by 2 and second equation by 1. So I am doing that. Multiplying equation 1 by 2 and equation 2 by 1. So let us multiply this equation by 2. So 2 2s are 4x, 7 2s are 14y, 2 1s are 2. And if we are multiplying this equation by 1, so this is 4x plus 3y is equal to 15. Now we have to cancel this one, as these two are of same sign. To cancel, what we have to do? Subtract. So as we are subtracting, sign will be changed. So this is minus, minus becomes plus, becomes minus, plus becomes minus, and plus becomes minus. So plus 4x minus 4x cancels. Minus 14y minus 3y. So we have minus 17y is equal to 2 minus 15 minus 13. This implies minus minus cancel. So y is equal to 13 by 17. So whatever may be the method of solution, but the value of x and y comes the same. That is what we have. X, first here we see that y is equal to 13 by 17. Here what comes? 13 by 17. Now in either of the equation, that is equation 1 or equation 2, we will put the value of y. So putting y is equal to 13 by 17 in equation 1, we have, so 2x minus 7, y means 13 by 17 is equal to 1. This implies, let us multiply the whole equation by 17. So 17 into 2, 34x minus 91 is equal to 17. This implies 34x is equal to 17 plus 91, that is equal to 108. This implies x is equal to 108 by 34. 2, 17, 34, 254, 108, that is 54 by 17. So again we have required solution. What we get? X is equal to 54 by 17 and y is equal to 13 by 17. Next, cross multiplication method. This method is very important. You should learn this one very attentively. Listen the video very carefully, watch it again and again to grasp this one. Cross multiplication, third method. I am showing you actually the fourth one because third one is not in your syllabus. Cross multiplication. Cross multiplication. Method. Now cross multiplication method. What are the equations? Equations that we have. 2x minus 7y is equal to 1. 2x minus 7y is equal to 1. And 4x plus 3y plus 3y is equal to 15. First, let us write the equation is equal to 0 form. That is, this can be written as 2x minus 7y minus 1 is equal to 0. It is called 0 form. 4x plus 3y minus 15 is equal to 0. These two equations. Now let us write these two equations here. 2x minus 7y minus 1 is equal to 0. 4x plus 3y minus 15 is equal to 0. Okay, now let us segregate, draw lines. This is for x, this is y, and this is constant. Now we will write x by is equal to minus y by, note here, minus y is equal to 1 by. Now x by, when we are not taking x, what remains? This is written in this form, vertical line, minus 7 minus 1, keep a gap, 3 minus 15 within this vertical line. Actually, this is the symbol for determinant. We have to determine. Next, determinant to determine, that is y. So y remove. What is that? 2 minus 1, including sign, 2 minus 1. But don't write the variable. 4 minus 15. Then 1 means constant. So leave constant term. What is there? Determinant 2 minus 7. Don't write side by side, keep a gap, otherwise it will seem that 2 minus 7 and you will write minus 5. 4, it is 3. Okay, this implies x by. Now how to calculate the determinant? First we need to multiply this diagonal, then minus the remaining diagonal. So this diagonal, minus 7 into minus 15. So let us write it here, minus 7 into minus 15. Then what to do? To give sign minus, then 3 into minus 1 is equal to minus y by. Then in the same way, this into this diagonal to multiply first. So 2 into minus 15 minus 4 into minus 1 is equal to 1 by, again this diagonal. So 2 into 3 minus 4 into minus 7. This implies x by. Now what we will get? Minus 7 into minus 15. This is 105 minus 3. So minus of minus 3 means plus 3 is equal to minus y by minus 30, and this is minus 4. So minus of minus 4 means plus 4 is equal to 1 by 3 2 is 6 minus 4 7 is 28 minus of minus plus 28. So this implies x by 108 is equal to minus y by minus 26 is equal to 1 by 34. This minus cancels. So this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Now what we have to do? There is 1 is equal to 3 implies x by 108 is equal to 1 by 34. This implies x is equal to 108 by 34. Cancelling by 2, 17, and this is 54. So 54 by 17. And equating that is 1 is equal to 2 is equal to 3 implies y by 26 is equal to 1 by 34. This implies y is equal to y is equal to 26 by 34. So cancelling by 2, 13, this is 17. So 13 by 17. Therefore required solution 54 by 17. This is the value of x and y is equal to 13 by 17. So first you have to practice these methods once and again and again you have to mention. And if in the question paper you are mentioned the method, by that method only you have to solve. Generally in the exam time, in the question paper, cross multiplication method, solution by cross multiplication method, this is mentioned. So you have to follow this method. If you see that no method is mentioned, you can do either of the method you like. Okay, so it is up to this for today.